Hello all. Through this video, we will be seeing how to read newspaper. Should you read every topics that you have to that is available in the newspaper, or is it the select few which we will have to read? We will analyze it with respect to yesterday's newspaper. The first thing you need to keep in mind while reading newspaper is tracing it to the GS papers. Once you have done it, then relate it to previous year's questions to know what we need from the article. First, let us identify which all articles we have to read. You have the first one, capital sees highest COVID spikes since July 2016. COVID-19 is a topic which is all pervasive, about which we need to know. So we will prepare notes about it later on. You can collect notes in this regard. The technology is available, what are the measures taken, what are the initiatives taken, all of that you could have as a special note. Then you have the second one, so we are not going into it since it's always there. Then you have the second article, Delhi's air quality still worst among big cities. This article, it is very important, and this comes under the section GS3. So you have to put a tick mark or have to give some or other identifier to make it evident that this is an article which you have to read. Then you have the next one, NIA files charge sheet in Pulwama attack case. This also you will have to read, and this comes under the section GS3. It comes under the category internal security in GS3. So you will have to read this article as well. Then you have the next one, what is wrong in seeking apology? Supreme Court ask Bhushan. This article is again important. If you get to see a Supreme Court or High Court in any of the articles, then make it a point to stop there and read through the article in entire, because it is going to be important for you. So SC is a keyword which you can always keep in mind. And this comes under GS2. Then you have the next one, NEET JEE MHA hints at rethink on dates. This is not very important. Then you have the next one, economy to shrink in Q2, says in second quarter, says RBI report. So if there are any government reports or any such documents coming, if any such names are mentioned, then you need to go through that article. This section comes under GS3, economic development. Now we move to the next page, which is city. Please keep in mind that regional page, city page, area specific sections such as south, north, northeast is not important, as these pages vary for each locations. But do skim through it, as there might be topics hiding in it which might be important for you, which could be important for you. This section we have already seen. This is a continuation of the article which we have come across in the first page on air pollutants, on air quality index. So please make it a point to go through this as well. Drunk college students are arrested for abusing police after accident. You don't have to read that. Departmental inquiry against constable after video goes viral, not needed. Student teachers express concern over e-education, not needed. DU can't expect 70% attendance when classes not conducted through High Court, conducted throughout High Court. It's not needed, as it is a city page, as it is an article which comes in the city page. This one is important. Here you see this one, capitals air quality improves but still worst among big cities. This one is important because the first part of it we saw in page number 1. So we are tracing it here. So we are reading the article which has come in the second page as well. Now we can skip this page. Then we move to the next one, which is again a city page. We can again conveniently skip this page. Then you have the next one, north and east. See, despite it being a regional page, one of the articles in this paper is very important, which is Arunachal to seek sixth schedule status. This concerns the rights of the indigenous people. So you have a section in government initiatives where the measures taken for the promotion of tribal communities is given in detail. So this specific area have a connection to that on the one. At the same time, we have seen earlier that these schedules are very important. You need to know which schedule means what. So with regard to both of these, you need to go through this article. Other than this, there is no other here which you have to read. No other articles here which you have to read. Again, if there are any political news, such as say BJP, JJP government, Congress, mentioning of Congress government or some other political parties, you don't have to read it. You can conveniently skip that section. You can conveniently leave that section behind. Then we move to the next page, which is North and West. Again, this is a regional page, due to which you can skip this section. Then you have this one article in North and West. In festival seasons, pandemic breaks spirit of Bhopal idol makers. Even if it is a regional page, if you have such articles explaining about Indian art or Indian culture, then you will have to read it because it is important for you in GS1. Then we move to the next section, to the next page, which is the editorial page. In the editorial page, this article, Sound and Fury, it concerns political news on Congress party. So we can skip it. Then you have the next one, Down but not out. Politicians' instability in parts of West Asia and North Africa is allowing the IS space to cooperate. So this is an international news. This is a news that comes under international affairs. For such news, the points that you have to keep in mind is you have to trace it, you have to read it such that you identify what is there in it for India. You have to read international relations from the perspective of, from the viewpoint of what is it at stake for India with respect to what is happening here, or in what way is this article important for India. So that is how you are supposed to read such articles. Then you have these two. One, marginalization of justice in public discourse. This is very important. It comes under the section GS2, Indian polity. Then you have living within the Kerala, within the earth in Kerala. This is important. This comes under the section disaster management. Then you move to the next page, magnets for manufacturing, opposite of editorial, magnets for manufacturing. This is important. We can trace it to GS3, economic development. Manufacturing is an area which we will have to keep track of while we study economic development. Then this is an article which could come for world history. This article has its ideas connected to world history. So you can go through it. This will help you with GS1, world history part of GS1. Then there is nothing else here which you have to read. You cannot trace it to any other part of the syllabus. Now we move to the next page, which is news. Here again, I could not identify any articles which we could trace back to the syllabus. There is this COVID-19 article. As I told you earlier, it comes every day. So we will have to prepare our notes such that all the aspects that comes under its ambit is brought to one section, is brought to one book. Maybe you could rely on some external source, some external materials in order to work on it, in order to have notes on it. Then there is this news about Kerala Secretariat. Again, political news is not important, so you can skip that. Then you have the Supreme Court verdict on Mullaperiyar Dam. Mullaperiyar Dam not in danger, since it concerns a verdict that is given by Supreme Court, you have to go through it. Just have to skim through it. That is sufficient. Because SC is a Q word. Then we don't have any other. Despite having Supreme Court here in this article, we don't have to read it because it concerns a case filed by the royal family of Travancore with regard to Padmanabha Swami temple. So it is more or less a regional issue. So in that regard, we can skip this article. Then there are several other articles which are all of regional level. For example, this article is about Navi Mumbai. Then we have this on Prashant Bhushan case, which we have already seen in the front page. Then you have the political news about the Congress party that we don't have to read. Then we move to the next page. Norms for post-virus treatment soon. This is a very important article because it explains on how we could bring about efficient medication in order to tackle the coronavirus pandemic. So such news which explains articles that helps us from coronavirus, those you have to keep track of. Because by the end of the day, you will have to have all of these at one place for you to revise before the examination. So this article is important. Then you have this article in international relations. Jaishankar could meet Wang at Shanghai Cooperation Organization next month. So this is important. So what is the role of Indian Shanghai Cooperation Organization? You need to know. So why should Jaishankar Prasad go to Shanghai Cooperation Organization? We need to know. So this article is very important and it comes under GS2 in international relations. Then you have this article, India to protect Pak claims on terror at United Nations. This article comes under internal security in the section GS3. So you will have to get this done. Not only that, this is also important from the perspective of international relations. You need to know what is India's relation with Pakistan, what are the issues that India has with Pakistan, what is the role of United Nations in the relation between India and Pakistan. So all such points we need to study. We will see it while we are going through the section Indian polity. Then you have the next page, again news. All of these concerns articles concerning regional areas, concerning specific locations. So you can all conveniently avoid it. Then you have this article on National Green Tribunal. You need to know about National Green Tribunal as it is important for you for the environment paper in GS3. And you need to know what is Clean Air Program. Programs, initiatives, schemes by the central government, you have to keep a proper track of, as these could come for your examination. Then the next page, showcase, is not important. Then after that, another page, showcase, it's not at all important. You can skip that. You don't have to read anything from there. Then you have the world page. In the world page, I could not notice anything that is India specific. So I have not made any note of materials from this page. If there is nothing about India given here, you can skip it conveniently. Then you have the next page, which is business. Here you have article on RBI report, which we have seen in the first page. This you will have to read again because it concerns a report issued by national level organization, a central level organization. So what is explained here is very important for you from GS3 perspective, economic development. Then you need to know BRICS, the summits, the organizations in which India is part of, All of that we need to know proper. Or the countries which are part of the organization apart from India, that also we have to know very properly, very clearly. So from that perspective, this is important. Then you have the next page, which is sport or life. You don't have to read anything from sports. It will not be asked for your examination. So this is how you read the newspaper. First, trace the article to the syllabus, put a tick mark or put some other marks by the side of it. And after that, once you have completed this stage, once you have traced the articles which you have to read, you need to relate it, you need to compare it with the previous year's question paper. I will take few examples to help you understand how to read it, or better put, prepare it from an examination perspective with the help of previous year question paper. Okay. We have here an article from page 1. Delhi's air quality still worst among 6 big cities. I told you that this is a section which we will have to read from GS3 environment perspective. This topic is very important for us from prelims examination viewpoint as well as mains examination viewpoint. First, we will see some of the prelims questions related to this article. The increasing level of carbon dioxide in the air is slowly raising the temperature of the atmosphere because it absorbs the water vapor of the air and retains its heat. B, the ultraviolet part of the solar radiation. C, all the solar radiations. D, the infrared part of the solar radiation. Now we have the next question. Which of the following can be found as pollutants in the drinking water in some parts of India? And then there are these names given. Now we move to the next one, which is the mains question. Environmental impact assessment studies are increasingly undertaken before project is cleared by the government. Discuss the environmental impacts of coal-powered thermal plants located at pit heads. This was a question asked in 2014. From all the three questions, we can infer that we need to know the major pollutants. It could be air pollutants, it could be water pollutants. Then we need to know its sources. Then we have to know the measures taken to address this issue. Then we need to be clear about whether the measures taken were followed. If not, what is the reason for not following it, for not strictly abiding by the measures taken. At the same time, we should also know how air quality is measured. So these are sections, these are points which you will have to keep in mind while you read such articles, because all these points will ultimately help you with such prelims questions as well as mains questions. Now we move to the next article. What is wrong in seeking apology? Supreme Court asks Bhushan. This article is about the contempt of court. This also addresses the idea of freedom of speech, which is a fundamental right. We have seen a prelims question that could come from the area fundamental rights. So I'm not going to repeat it, but we will look at a mains question. As we live in a plural society, we need the greatest freedom to express our opinions, even if others finds it offensive. Do you agree with this? Discuss with reference to some recent incidents in the Indian context. This was asked in 2009. So this is a direct question. They are asking on one about incidents such as the one that we came across just now, contempt of court. On the other, they're also asking about the fundamental right, freedom of expression. So such questions could come for your examination, and this is how you have to streamline your preparation. Then we move to the next one. Economy to shrink in Q2 Q2 says RBI report. This belongs to GS3 in the section economic development. We have already seen it. They can ask questions such as India being a consumption-led economy than a led economy. We get to see this idea when we go through this article. And they can ask you this question of India being a consumption-led economy from Main's point of view, from Main's perspective. And they could ask us how it is going to affect the country and what are the ways in which it can be overcome. So I told you that regional pages, city pages, all of those are not important, but still you have to skim through it. It is because, as I told you already, there might be topics hiding in it that are important. For example, in the page Northeast, we have this article, and we have discussed about it already. And this article comes under GS2 in the section Social Justice. I have already explained to you about how question could come from this area. So now I'm not going to repeat it again. Once we have completed the section schedules, and once we have gone through government initiatives which are in support of indigenous people, I will give you previous year question papers from prelims as well as mains asked from both these topics. That is from schedules as well as from the initiatives, government initiatives for the benefit of the indigenous people. So for prelims, from this article, you have to study schemes and provisions that are there for the benefit of vulnerable communities. Then there are these schemes introduced exclusively for the Northeast region, for the benefit of Northeast region. All of these we will see in various government initiatives later on. In a similar vein, in a similar fashion, you need to first trace the articles to the syllabus and identify which one to read and which one not to read. Then you have to relate it to previous year's question papers. After that, you prepare notes on it and then study it and keep on revising it at regular intervals. Revision is most important in your preparation. Initially, it might take some 3 or 4 hours every day for reading it, as well as for preparing notes. For both of them together, it might take some 3 to 4 hours. Gradually, the time will come down to 1 hour or 1.5 hours. So this is all for today. Thank you.